Hey Squarespace users, so I'm just working on a little task here and I thought I'd bring you along with me. So what I'm wanting to do is embed iframes. So I'm planning right now for a redesign on my own website this winter, so I'm just taking little notes here and there to decide how I want to present the information or the content on the new website. And something I think I want to use when showing my portfolio is iframes. So in order to embed an iframe on a Squarespace website, there's a really simple code that you can use in a code block. However, I was using that I had found from various articles that were showing up on Google page one for how to add an iframe to a Squarespace website. And I was still running into errors. So I wanted to share this with you in case you are running into these error issues as well. It's a really easy fix. So just come with me and I'll show you what worked for me. Okay, so to begin, what you want to do, so this is an ancient website. I never have time to work on my own website because I'm busy with clients. So it's a fortunate problem to have, but yeah, my website just looks so bad. But anyway, what you do is you go wherever you want the iframe to show up, go add a code block. So that'll be the same whether you're on version 7.0 or 7.1. And now the code that you want to use is right here. So I'll just add this below the video so you can easily copy and paste it. This is the code I use. There's probably better code available out there. I know I did see one where you can add like a title and that sort of thing. So I'm just keeping it simple. I don't want to add anything. I just want the iframe to show. And then I can adjust the sizes if I want to. So let's begin with this basic code. I'm just going to pop it right in there. And now what we do, so for this URL, we just want whatever web page that you want to show in your iframe, go get that URL. So I'm going to use my client Gibbs Fine Designs as an example here. So I just want to show his homepage. So I'm just going to copy that URL and then back in my code block right here, between the quotation marks, don't replace the quotation marks or like paste over them. So right between the quotation marks, paste that URL. Now you'll see we have a rectangular sad face. So that means it's not working. So figured out the problem, and that problem is, it's not really a problem, it's a setting though. So what you want to do is you want to disable clickjack protection on that website. And in my situation, this works great because it's my client. It's going to always be my clients, if I'm embedding my client work. So I can go into their website and I can adjust this myself in their settings. So here's what you do. I'm just going to hit the / key and then type protect. Yep. So we want website protection. Click there. See how clickjack protection is enabled? That means that anytime clickjack protection is enabled, it means that other people cannot, or other websites cannot embed your content in an iframe. So we're going to turn that off and then save. Now, if we just go to save and kind of get a refresh going here, I'm going to go back into edit. And now my iframe is working. So at this point, you can go in and you can play with the sizes if you want to. You can make it span the whole width of the page. Right now, mine is taking kind of like a mobile design, which I'm not a big fan of. I would want it to show as the actual website itself, just narrowed down to whichever container I put it in. So that's something I'm going to mess with on my own as a personal preference. But that is how you embed an iframe on your Squarespace website. And you just want to go to website protection settings and just disable clickjack protection on the website that you're trying to embed. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.